Today we're getting a lot more Hurricane Milton cleanup done, and I'm talking from inside the laundry room because once we get out you won't hear it. But if you've been watching, you know we had a century oak come down. We got a lot of it chopped, chainsawed into big pieces, but we're just now getting it all split and stacked. And since the fire pit finally got finished after the mess and the floods from last year, I figured I'd show you that. So, and the chickens are livid because they can't come out with the splitter running. So, if they look mad, that's why. Anyhow, here we go. I'm gonna go around so you can see the fire pit first, what got done. I know, I hear it too. He does not want your help. He doesn't. Hi, Annie. The leghorns are finally starting to look good that we got. They don't understand all the noise and nonsense. And the ducks are beside themselves. So, is the fire pit finally finished after the flood? We're trying to burn some of the stuff that I don't want to put in the fireplace or the fire pit or the whatnot, and I don't want to stack it, so we're getting it burnt. And we'll move on to the splitting. Hi, Polish ladies. What up? Hi, Lydia. I see you. It's hot out. It's about 98 right now, and it's not even 11 yet. He splits, I stack. There's some of what's left in the yard that's been cut, and then that's the rest of the tree that still has to be chainsawed up so that we can split it. That pile is done stacked. It's too deep. And then this is the pile I started stacking today. Again, too deep. It's not the easiest work, but it's free heat. And we do heat the house with wood. It's Florida, so it may not seem like a lot to the people up north. But in Florida, 2 pallets of this is all winter. And here we go. This stuff was so big around. It's taken 4 and 5 cuts to get it usable. The little shavings like this came off. I put in a bucket and we use it as Kindle. So anyhow, I thought I'd let you see. We got some more done. And if you're ever bored and you want to come down out in the 100-degree weather and split wood, you got an invite. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. give me a thumbs up, comment, and like. I really need subscribers. Thank you.